Sherman, want to get that video, hon? Sherman, you want that cucumber? You want that cucumber, Sherman? Sherman. Sherman, you want that cucumber? You big boy. Whoa. You get it, big boy? Where are you going?
You know how he loves running out there and getting away as soon as I pick that cucumber.
Sherman, is that your healthy dinner? Huh? Is that your healthy dinner? I had to put it on YouTube and save it for Dad. Lucy, you don't like cucumber. Sherman. Sherman.
He wouldn't leave me alone as soon as I had the cucumber.
Sherman. Hi. Don't, honey. Good boy, Sherman. Good boy. You're not leaving any for us. Yeah.
Zoe should start getting ready.
All right. Sherman, you gonna eat it all? Huh? You want another one, big boy? Yeah? You can get the whole thing? Zoe, come on, hon! Oh, all right. Bye.